Alright guys, so we're here in room 308 and we're going to go take a very quick ride on the elevators. You know what? Just make sure I have my key card. Okay. So we're going to go ride the elevators. Let me just make sure I didn't lock this. Sorry guys for my apologies. Alright, good. I can get back in. Okay, alright, good. Okay. Alright, so guys, we're here at room 308 and we just did a room tour. So now we're going to go ride the elevators. Again, it's about 11:45 here at night. So there really isn't going to be anybody using the elevators, so I figured now would be the best time to get them on tape. You can see that this is a very nice hotel, and for a property that's more than 10 years old, this hotel is really kept up with upgrades and stuff. So that's what I like about Hilton properties. They're always investing in keeping their properties to be up to date. So I just have to be very quiet though, because it is 11 o'clock at night and people are trying to sleep, so I don't want to be too loud. Again, take a look at that very nice modern looking exit sign. And here we come to the elevators. Obviously they are two Otis Series 1s installed in 2004. Very nice music. Let's get a view out here quickly. I did not go to the Harrisburg Mall, but there it is out there. You can see Bass Pro Shops and the Macy's sign. So we are going to take a ride on both of these elevators. So here we go. Obviously a new Otis LED. It's gonna be this one. Could be wrong though. Oh, nope, it is this one. Otis chime. One, a 2,500 pound capacity. It's just your basic hotel elevator. Sounds like there's some people out, but let's go up to 3. Door closed, doesn't work. Ring that alarm. Oh wow, interesting bell. Again, it's a 2,500 pound capacity. Very nice interior. Let's go back up to 3. Oh, my bad, sorry. Oh, there we go. What do you need? 2s, please. There you go, sir. We'll get another ride. Hopefully there'll be nobody. Wow, okay. Door close works better on the other one, actually. I know. I'm taking 3 rides on this thing, but what's it called? I'm gonna upload all this stuff tomorrow anyways. Here we go. There goes that one. It's this one, I swear. Please let it be this one. Yes. This I like this one better. Bring it. One. Again, also a 2,500 pound capacity. Identical to the other one, obviously. Very nice carpet interior. Here we are at 1. Let's go back up to 3. Immediate door closed. Here we go. Bring that along. Same bell and stuff. These are very nice Otises. I really like these a lot. I'm glad I come to this hotel when I'm out here.
So, you have your Otis interlock.
Oh, and the capacity on this is 2,500 pounds. So, there it goes. And that is it. We're actually going to walk back to the room. See? Suites 300 to 321, 322. So we're going this way. There's the hallway. We're gonna walk down there in just 1 second. I just wanted to see the view here. Obviously. Oh no. Oh wow, they don't have an MPE at the end of this hallway. This is just the hallway here. Nothing special. Alright, so guys, we're back here at the room. Took a ride on the elevators. Took a room tour of the room. And guys, that will be it.